I saw an American ask, why does every invasive species seem like it comes from Asia? And I'm like, bro, you do not realize how many invasive species from North America are terrorizing the rest of the world. Let's start with the prickly pear cactus. This stuff almost destroyed Australia. It was practically apocalyptic. It covered an area the size of Colorado in this dense jungle they called the Green Hell. It was so bad, people literally abandoned their farmhouses. It just took over the land, and in some places, it was 20 feet tall. It was genuinely an existential crisis for Australia, so they imported a moth that eats these cactuses, and that did seem to, do the trick and cut the population back, but now, that moth is invasive in lots of places, which is how it usually goes with these things. Largemouth bass are invasive in loads of places, especially Japan, because they eat everything and disrupt native fish. This is made worse by the fact that Japan does not have any Bass Pro Shops to balance out the ecosystem. And I also have reports that the dating profile pic environment is also getting disrupted. Our squirrels are invasive, which seems crazy, but in Europe, the red squirrel is actually what is native. It is smaller and, in my opinion, much cuter, but gray squirrels outcompete them because they are larger and can eat a more diverse diet, including acorns. And they also transmit squirrel pox, which I didn't even know existed, and red squirrels don't have very much immunity to it. And I find it weird because, it kind of mirrors the transmission of smallpox in human populations, right? Except it's flipped because it traveled the opposite direction. Next is the comb jellyfish, which doesn't seem like it should be invasive because, it doesn't sting, it's totally harmless. But in the Black Sea, it has just found an incredible environment, and it eats all the zooplankton there, and it has essentially destroyed a ton of fishing there, like $350 million worth. Raccoons are invasive in Europe and Japan. I know they are extremely cute, but they can be huge, like 60 pounds, which is crazy, and they're just very effective predators that eat a lot of native species. And finally, what some people might consider the worst invasive species, ragweed in Europe. I am so sorry to all of you allergy sufferers. My deepest apologies as an American. It's horrible, and I'm sorry we exported it to you guys.